Yeah. Hi, welcome to Schools by Tube. Okay, so when you go to London, you basically need to get to Okay, so basically you need to get a little tube map as such, and one of these Oyster cards. It's nothing. It's so you can get and make sure you tap on and tap off, otherwise they fine you, because I bought fined twice today, it's very bad. Or you can just get a little travel card, and basically, yeah, you just hop on and off. It's really handy, it's quite quick, they're quite regular. We're currently on the Jubilee line, as we can show here. Oh, very posh. They've got glass so people don't commit suicide, because it's not very nice.
If Alex gets any more drunk, he'll be committing assisted suicide later.
so Marie says. So
yeah, so tubes are great. You're like right underground, down, underground, and they go really quick, and it's just a great way to get around.
Drunk.